Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to change your slide to unlock. That's right down here, as you can see, iPod mods 808. I changed that, and I'm actually currently running on 4.0 update. And as you can see right there, version 4.0, newest one out right now. And alright, let's get started. And this is actually, yes, it's actually an update from my last video because the quality was actually pretty bad and you could barely see anything, so I'm actually using my computer to record this. So alright, first thing you guys want to go and do and go ahead and just open up Cydia and just let it load. It takes a little bit for me because I have so much stuff downloaded on Cydia right now, so let's wait a little while for it to load data. Okay, now when you're on Cydia, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go to Manage, Sources, and then you're going to want to go ahead and click Edit and Add. Alright, now the source you want to add is Cydia.touch mania.com. Alright, that's the source you're going to want to go ahead and download. You're going to go ahead and click Add Source. I already have it, so I'm going to click Cancel. Alright, and when you have that, you're going to want to go ahead and click Done, and you're going to want to go to Search. Alright, now the second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to search for Slide to Unlock Killer. Let's go ahead and type that in. Slide space to unlock space killer. Let's wait for all that to load, and there you go, Slide to Unlock Killer. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, now I already have it. That's why in the top right hand corner it says modify, but for you it should say install. Go ahead and install it, and when you're done with that, go ahead and back out of Cydia and go to your main Springboard page, and go ahead and go to Winterboard. If you don't have Winterboard, it's in Cydia. You can just search for it. Just type in Winterboard and it'll pop up. Alright, go ahead and click on Winterboard. Go to Select Themes. Alright, when you're in Select Themes, there's going to be a thing called Entry Killer. And you're going to want to go ahead and check it. Okay, I already have it checked. I'm not going to check it again because it will restart everything. For you, it will respring. So go ahead and back out, let it respring, and it should take you back to your login screen, or your Slide to Unlock screen. And what would actually happen right here in iPod mods, it should be blank. There should be nothing there. So go ahead and slide to unlock it. Alright, and when you're ready, you go ahead and go back to Cydia. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, now when you're back on Cydia, you're going to want to go ahead and go back to search. And the thing you're going to search for is a file called iFile. So go ahead and type that in. iFile. Oops. Alright, and once you have that typed in, it'll be right there, the very first one, iFile. And yes, I know it's in blue, and what that means is you have to pay for it. Don't worry, it says you have to pay for it, but you don't. It's absolutely free, you don't have to do anything. So go ahead and click on that. Alright, now up here in the top right hand corner, it will turn blue, and most of the time, yes, I know you have to pay for it, but it only costs, it says it costs $4 right here. But don't worry, you don't have to pay for it. Just come back up and it should only say install. Go ahead and install it. And when you're done installing it, you're going to want to go ahead and back out. Back to your main Springboard page. Alright, once you're back on your main Springboard page, go ahead and find the app that you downloaded called iFile. I have it under Utilities. So, right there, iFile. Alright, and when you come there, at the top left-hand corner, just click and go all the way back to the beginning. Right here. And you should have all these things, you know, private, system, and everything. All the way on the bottom, go ahead and click on VAR. And then, once you're in VAR file, go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. Scroll all the way down. And there'll be a thing called Stash. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the stash file, you're going to want to go ahead and at the second to the last on the bottom, there'll be a thing called themes. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in that file, you're actually in the themes of your winter board. And you're going to want to go ahead and find entridgekiller.theme. Go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click on folders, springboard.app. Alright, now this is the language that you can actually use. So yes, you can actually change the language and everything. As you can see, if you go all the way down and all the way back up. And the English version is en.iproj. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, and then go ahead and click on springboard.strings. Alright, now what you're going to do here is if you want to go ahead and actually... Okay, if you have an iPod, you only can do two things. If you have an iPod Touch. And the things are away lock label. That's when you first turn on your iPod, or when you click hibernate. And the first thing it says the slide to unlock. Well, I changed that to iPod mods 808 like I showed you in the beginning. And the second thing you can do is power down lock label. As you power down, I'm going to show you right here. Say if I want to... That will change this right there, power down, to turn off your iPod. Click cancel. Alright. And everything else is for an iPhone. Alright. And so the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go ahead and click on edit. And now you can type in things. And where you want to type it in, as you can see, these like quotation, I believe. You're going to want to go ahead and type in between those. So go ahead and you want to use this and start from the very beginning. Okay? And then you want to go ahead and type in whatever you want it to say. It can't be too long because then it'll just it won't show the whole thing. And then when you're done, all the way over here to the end, there will be spaces. It'll look something like this. Alright? Go ahead and delete the space until it's all squished in together. And then when you're done with that, you're going to want to go ahead and click save. And click done. Alright. And go ahead and back out to your Springboard page. Alright. And once you're there, you want to go ahead and click on Winterboard again. Go to Select Themes. And Entridge Killer, you want to uncheck it and check it again. So it'll respring your iPod, and then your whatever text you type in will actually show up. So go ahead and back out of it, and it should respring automatically. Once you're done respringing, it should come back to your slide to unlock. Hold on 1 second, I'm lagging a little bit. Right there, and then it should say whatever you want down here, right here. Whatever you put in the type in the quotations. So yep, that's pretty much how you do it. If you thought this video was helpful, just please rate and subscribe. So alright, thanks.